What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for SoFi Technologies with the ticker symbol SOFI. I will first be going over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. So it looks like SoFi is pushing up higher, but it is finding resistance at the 908 level or that $9 level because it was previous support. Now it's going to be acting as resistance because there was a break below it strongly, and this could be the starting point of another large leg down, and I'll go over the reasons why. So you see that price made two legs up. This was one large leg up. Price pulled back. Market generally moves in twos. That was the second leg up. Measure move was practically met today, and that could be the starting point of the second leg down, because after an impulse, you usually get a correction, and that could lead to another impulse. Same thing in reverse. So if we see a large move up, a correction in the form of two legs, it can usually lead to a large leg up. Just like over here, you see the bulls made a large leg up. Price went down once, went up, down twice, and then that's when it led to the huge, reversal towards the upside. So that's what I'm saying, that usually two legs is the center of the pattern for another leg down. So this is a possibility. We'll see if we see aggressive selling or not, but this is a possibility. We can always just continue pushing up above the $9 level and completely invalidate this potential move, but then we look for higher price targets. But as right now, this is a possibility. Now let's also take a look at this uptrend. There's definitely this uptrend in play. You see that the bulls are bouncing off the support, bears are bouncing off the resistance on the highs. So I'm not saying we will get the next down leg for sure, but it is a possibility. So, something to keep on the chart as right now. But price is above the EMA, and it is working its way up in this yellow uptrend. But if we see a break of it, there's a possibility to maybe continue back down to the $8 level. So SoFi is not really looking that bullish. It's looking actually more bearish as of right now. I wouldn't say it's a huge bearish looking move. I wouldn't say it's a strong bearish sign as of right now, but it's definitely a bearish sign that we see two legs up and the price has yet to break above the $9 level. That's a good opportunity for the sellers to drop down the price. However, a good sign for the bulls is that it's above the EMA and potentially in this uptrend channel. So it could continue bouncing like that. Maybe not for that long, but I'm saying if it gets over here, it might not go down to the lows. It might just bounce up and finally break that $9 level for higher prices. So something like that can occur. So let's see what happens. I think, it's a higher probability we will probably see a drop, maybe back down to the 858. And if we can hold our support, we'll probably continue to play inside this yellow uptrend. If it fails, there might be an opportunity for the sellers to bring down the price back to the $8 level and maybe even a potential another large leg down. So we'll see how that develops. But I think the incentive for the bulls is mostly gone because they already reached the target that they had in mind, which was this measure move up to the low $9 level. So there's a good chance that, there's probably going to be more bearish signs coming than the more bullish signs. So let's take a look at the weekly chart. Here is the weekly chart for SoFi. And you can see that price is bouncing off the highs of this yellow range at the $8 level, which is a good sign since August 14th. And price is working its way higher. So like I said before, it's above the EMA. We're above the range highs, which is a very good sign. But since we saw a large drop down, this could just be a correction for another large drop. Again, measure moves aren't always reached. We could just fail right over here at the highs, and that would lead to a very large move up because that would show the bulls that the bears cannot reach their downward target that they had in mind. And that's when the bulls can capitalize on the bears' weakness. So again, this is just a potential target that can come into play. We'll have to wait and see. We can always still bounce from the support right over here and see higher prices. Or we might not even do that. We might just go up higher, then come down, and then go up like that. So it could be even more bullish than I even think. So we'll have to wait and see. As of right now, price is working its way higher. So I can't ignore that. So price is definitely working its way higher in this small little yellow uptrend. All I'm saying is that price is probably hitting the highs. And if it hits the highs, where does it go next? The lows. So we hit the highs, most likely it will go to the lows. And what I'm saying is if the lows don't hold, price may come back down to the $8 level and maybe even break it. So we'll have to keep an eye on that. Again, if we hold the $8 level or the opposite side of this yellow channel, there's a good chance we could see higher prices. It just goes by whatever, if support is holding or not. If this support level is going to hold, we're going to continue to hold and continue to move up higher. If it breaks, we're going to probably see the next support level at the $8 level. So that's how I'm looking at SoFi. I don't really see any strong bullish signs as of right now. It's actually leaning more towards the downside, but that can change anytime. So that's all I have for SoFi on the daily and weekly charts, and I'll most likely give you guys an update this week Friday. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time.